Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch on Friday, May 31st, 2024. Hope you're all well. So, I'm doing some backtracking, trying to find the correct data for this X1 flare that happened today, and I'm finding a whole bunch of inconsistencies and maybe probably some tomfoolery going on. I'll explain. So today we had an X1.1 from region 3697, which is the former 3664 in the southern hemisphere. Right here. Now, there's something missing. So once again, we have a 12-minute gap, which is when our X1.1 flare went off. We have a large coronal mass ejection. Sometime before. And there's no indication or information where this came from. So 3697, where our X1.1 flare happened today. Now, for that mysterious CME that was launched from here somewhere, as you can see on the Earth-facing side, we have nothing. So just double checking, we had no filament eruptions from this area here. Something did happen behind the limb, however too small in my opinion, right there. Now we're going to go to the NASA Enlil CME projections, and this is where it gets really confusing. So we have one launched here on May 30th between 1200 and 1800 UTC, closer to 1800 UTC. So I did a slow-mo video of this here and played it back to get the approximate time for the launch of this CME. So this is not showing any CME from today's X1.1. So let's go to our X-ray chart. May 30th, around 1800. Would be this one, which is only a C6.7. So I go to find out which region this came from. So go to May 2024, May 30th, solar flares, and there's no data. The archive is not available for this date. This is NOAA's modeling, old model on a previous X-class flare, which is not hitting us, period. And the density of this CME is way too heavy to be originating from a C6 solar flare, which is not accounted for, folks. So there you have it, folks. Too many inconsistencies, too many gaps, too many things do not match up, and missing data. So every time something happens, you really got to do a lot of investigation. I smell some tomfoolery, maybe.